To add a new activity, click on the green Add New Activity button from the home screen. From there, you can add activity from scratch or add activity from template. To add from scratch, start with 3 pieces of information: the title, activity type, and start date. Click Next, and that begins your activity record. You would not have to enter any other information, but by entering more information, you're going to allow for more complete reporting in the future. Our activity record includes a number of different tabs that will give us different types of information about that activity. So in the first Info tab, we have basic information like the title, start date, the length of time. Enter any information that makes sense for your activity. Things like budget, assistance level, the reach of the activity. Start entering in the city and your location field will auto-complete. You can enter in the mode of the activity, so how it was delivered, and that's a multi-select field. Enter information about the staff involved, committees involved, include a description about your activity. And your record will continue to update as you move across the different tabs of information, but it's important to update your record before leaving your activity record. The category tab just provides information on what your activity was about. So we had activity type already, but you could change that from this screen. The focus or the subject of your activity, and this is multi-select. You can enter information about any related programs or program goals. So once you click on a program, it's going to have a drop-down of the different goals related. And that will allow you to eventually report on a specific program or program goal. Track information on the organizations involved in the activity. Include specific contact information if you want a record of that. And if this represents a group of organizations that you'll work with again in the future, you can save them as a group for future data entry. Enter information about the demographics related to your activities, so if you would like to put in information about your participants. Attach any related files, meeting minutes, presentations you've done. Track any impacts that resulted from this activity. And from the Summary tab, you can take a quick look at all the information that you've entered. So you can see, once you get used to adding activities, it only takes about a minute to add your activity records to TruServe.